Hi there, today we're reconnecting a mower wire that was cut by accident. So I cut the wire while mowing the lawn and now the mower doesn't work, and as you can see the grass is getting a little bit long. So we need to connect the wires. As you can see it's cut here. What you don't do is connect them next to one another. There's no strength there. What we need to do is connect them directly head on. So whenever working with wires, first thing, turn the power off. Once the power's off, we then use wire cutters to take off the outer cover of the copper wires to show the copper tops. Now we do this on both sides. So use the tool to just cut away the protective layer on the neutral and the positive wire. Separate them nicely. Now what I've done here is gone onto Amazon and I purchased a connector. Now this is a waterproof connector, perfect for mowers. If you check the link in the description, you can find where to get it. Now it's got two parts, but in the middle there's a positive and a neutral hole, which we'll be putting the wires in a minute. So first off, undo the end. As you can see, there's a little sort of valve thing that is waterproof, but we'll show you that in a minute. Push the wire through at one end. Now, separate the copper wires. Maybe give it a little twirl just to make it easier. Now the center part of the connector, as I said, if you get a little small screwdriver you can undo the slots a little bit. Now feed the wires, the copper wires, into the connector and then tighten up the screws on each side. It's a little bit fiddly, but you'll get there. So screw it as tight as it will go. That will stop the wire coming out. Then go back and get to the end piece. Screw that up to the center part, and then the outer part, screw that in as tightly as possible, and that will make it watertight, stop any water going down the ends of the wire. So now we've done it on one side, we've just got to repeat the same process on the other end. So loosen the end part of the connector, push the wire through, separate the two copper wires, do exactly what we did before. Give it a little twist. Find the live and the neutral. Slot them in. Tighten it up. Now, just for good order, the live one is the brown wire and the neutral is the blue wire. Tighten the end up again, just to make sure that both sides are as waterproof as possible. As you can see, it's flexible, it's strong and waterproof. Perfect. So, let's get on with it. There you go. Hope you found it useful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to look out for more videos coming soon.